Hey guys, are you ready for class? Sure you are. Let's go. Tell me, what's this? Do you know? Yes, it's a pencil. It's a pencil. Great. And what's this? Do you know? Yeah, you're right. It's a book. It's a book. What's this? Right. It's a pen. It's a pen. What's this? You got it. Right. It's a bag. It's a bag. Perfect. What's this? Is this a bag? Do you know? No, it isn't. It's a desk. It's a desk. Perfect. Is this a pencil? No, it isn't. It's a chair. It's a chair. Great. Now, is this a book? No, it isn't. It's a ruler. It's a ruler. Now, is this a desk? No, it isn't. It's an eraser. It's an eraser. Now, it's your turn to answer. Tell me, is this a pen or a pencil? Do you know? Right. It's a pen. Is this a book or a desk? You can do it. Perfect. It's a book. And what's this? You got it. Great. It's a desk. Perfect. Now, what's this? You can do it. Great. Awesome. It's an eraser. It's an eraser. And this? Perfect. It's a chair. It's a chair. Let's work with some colors. Let's begin. Red chair. Red chair. It's a red chair. It's a red chair. Blue pen. Blue pen. You got it. It's a blue pen. It's a blue pen. Yellow pencil. Yellow pencil. What's this? Right. It's a yellow pencil. Green book. Green book. What's this? Try it. Right. It's a green book. Orange desk. Orange desk. What's this? You got it. Right. It's an orange desk. Pink eraser. Pink eraser. What's this? Try it. Right. It's a pink eraser. Good. Purple bag. Purple bag. What's this? You got it. Right. Great. It's a purple bag. Now, is this a red desk? Try it. No. Right. No, it isn't. It's a blue desk. Is this a purple chair? What do you think? Right. No, it isn't. It's an orange chair. Is this a red ruler? You got it. Right. No, it isn't. It's a pink ruler. Now, tell me, what's this? Is this a yellow bag? Or is it a yellow book? You got it. Right. Yes, it's a yellow book. And what's this? Is this a blue pencil or a blue pen? Try it. Great. Yes, it's a blue pen. Now, tell me the color. What color is the eraser? Is it blue? Is it red? Or is it pink? Easy. Try it. Right. It's a red eraser. This is the last one. What color is the desk? Is it a purple desk? Is it green? Or is it orange? Try it. Right on, buddy. It's a green desk. Thank you so much for coming. See you on the next one and take care.